In this video, I will show you how to highlight every other row using conditional formatting in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here in this Excel sheet, I have a list of students along with the marks they obtained in various subjects. Now, I want to highlight every other row or alternate rows in light blue color. I will use a formula using the is_even function along with the row function. To do that, the is_even function returns true if the specified number is an even number and false otherwise. This function accepts only one argument, which is the number we want to test. The row function returns the row number of the specified cell or the current row number if the argument is not provided. This function accepts only one optional argument, which is the cell reference. Let's create a formatting rule based on the formula. Select the range of the cells containing all the cells, that is B3 to E8. Now go to the Home tab, click the Conditional Formatting option, then select the New Rule menu item. Select the Use a Formula to determine which cells to format option from the rule type list. Now we need to enter a custom formula that either returns a true or false value. I will use this formula that checks if the current row number is even number or not using the is_even and row functions. Excel will automatically apply this formula to the remaining cells in the selected range. Now click the Format button to open the Format Cells dialog box. Since we want to change the cell background to blue, select the Fill tab from the top. Select the desired background color to apply to the rows. I am going to choose the light blue color. Click the OK button to close the Format Cells dialog box. Make sure to check the Preview section to confirm the cell format. This custom cell format will be applied to a cell only when the formula we entered returns true for that particular cell. In this case, this format applies when the current row number is even number. Click the OK button to close the Conditional Formatting dialog box. As you can see, all the even numbered rows are now highlighted with the light blue color. We can use the is_odd function instead of the is_even function to highlight the odd number rows. The is_odd function returns true if the specified number is an odd number and false otherwise. I will just replace the is_even function with the is_odd function in the formula. This time I will choose the dark blue color instead of the light blue color as the row background color. The rest of the settings remain the same. As you can see, now all the even numbered rows are highlighted with the light blue color, while all the odd numbered rows are highlighted with the dark blue color. To remove the conditional formatting from the rows, let's select all the cells again. Now go to the Home tab, click the Conditional Formatting option, select the Clear Rules and then Clear Rules from Selected Cells menu item. As you can see, now these rows do not have any conditional formatting rule applied to them. Watch these videos for more Excel tips, tricks and how-to tutorials. If you find this video useful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.